ka samla ferry Felicia 1 ka dika wena pedang ki samla kilo 1 sakhamat aga exam HSSLC ha ka mo stream la pania da ke ambus habio bukan bai tai samla la pen pau chik ban ka bakraw na ma nakaliang jong i Khlem kpil ti ban pois ti ka thong chu nakaliang kmi jong gi ru ka a ga jero sha na mar ka khon ju i klawa ban man chikman nakaliang ka principal jong ka school ka pen pau chik ban ka bakraw na mar ka ni ka kantin na ka school jong ki kelayo armri khana ki ban chikman ha ka topless ha ka commerce stream
Jadi bila ampat tayo kumno fisma wani ka jin wanjo pi bat top no.
I feel really happy. I actually didn't expect this one at first. I thought my exam didn't really go that well. Then hopefully it did. It's all because of my teachers, my friends who supported me, and my family who supported me emotionally, physically. So a big thank you to them.
Jadi bila ampat tayo dia kan ka jin pi khare jong pi kumno pin khare kan do kan ta pi pin khare ay por.
Kata, I've seen many reporters asking this, but that depends on the student actually. Like some student will have to study more hours there, like because they have like different talent. Some students have to study more hours to top, and some students have to study only less hours to top. So it depends on the student how much.
Bila bertai ki jinge ha kapor pin khare exam ki jinge ko pi kan do.
It's like distraction. Distraction is like the.
Kumno pi ko ni kita
Through prayers.
Tapi pula minta ka ikas.
Planning the preparation that we con, and then I'll do competitive exam to nasai.
So pin pai khamat ama pin poi sakit diki in.
Yang ngambil le trong banking.
Banking.
Dia pi.
Kata ke buat competitive exam banking.
Dia kumpa pila yo ai kan ni ka pila long top ni ya no ko apa nai ko le.
Apa nai ko le first way, and then my school. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful to them and my teachers, my family, my friends.
Nang yo iba kan ka percaya social media.
Hadir beda yo terus.
Tak dengan simpulkan pemakhram te mukong ni le mo ba kembang jing yarap jing jing dan dekat jing salah poin ka thong ba ko pa ar te la chai ba ila trishitam trishitam shisha te sai pon le thong bi ila ma pa ka ban la jing ai le ka skul te bi kham tam kin hika ba ki da ai ka jing hikai ba salah ko cha ka thong ke.
Congratulations to our exceptional students who have achieved the remarkable feat of securing top positions in the Commerce Stream Examinations 2024. Their outstanding performance reflects their academic brilliance and their unwavering dedication. I'm immensely proud of each one of them. Their achievements, it brings great honor to our institution and serve as a shining example of the high standards of excellence that we strive to uphold. To our esteemed faculty members, I extend my sincere appreciation for their guidance, support, and mentorship. To the parents and guardians of these high achieving students, I extend my deepest gratitude for their unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in the potential of their children. And to all the students who have not only made us proud, but also inspired their peers and future generations of students, I have no doubt that you will continue to scale greater heights in your future endeavors. As you enter the next chapter of your academic journey, remember that this is just the beginning of a bright and promising future. Stay focused, continue to pursue your passions with diligence, and let your dreams soar high. Thank you. That it's a great example for the future generations. Their exemplary life, they have made their parents proud with their dedication and hard work, and this is an example for the future generations.